In this video, I'm going to take you through a tapping exercise for feeling hopeless. So sometimes it feels like life has been really hard and it starts to feel like whatever we're suffering through is never going to end. But it's really important to remind ourselves that life is always changing, and the sooner we accept the way things are, often the sooner they resolve. And that idea alone of acceptance can bring up strong feelings of resistance, and that's exactly why we need to work through this feeling to feel better. Hi, I'm Kelly Elliott from Free Your Life. I'm a transformational coach, master Free Your Life practitioner, and advanced and accredited EFT practitioner. And I've been working with clients both locally and internationally for over 10 years. So now you're going to rate this hopeless feeling on a scale from 0 to 10, with 10 being the worst. And you're just going to tap along with me. You're going to say what I say and do whatever I do. Even though I have this hopeless feeling in my body, and a part of me feels like I can't go on, I choose to love and accept these feelings anyways. Even though a part of me is ready to give up all hope, I choose to love and accept these feelings anyways. I'm feeling so hopeless. A part of me feels like there's nothing left to be hopeful about. Maybe I've tried everything, looked at every avenue, and it's not looking good. A part of me thinks, what's the point in being hopeful anymore? I'm probably going to get my hopes crushed again. I've been through this before. I don't want to be disappointed like that again. Now stop and take a deep breath and rate your feelings again. If you notice some memories come up around times you were really disappointed, try tapping on those moments and expressing some of that disappointment. It's also okay if you're feeling even more hopeless at this point. All change is good, and sometimes with tapping, things get worse before they get better. So go back to the beginning of the video and repeat this if your feelings aren't changing. Or if you're getting overwhelmed, it's a good idea to reach out to a practitioner like myself to help you through it. If your hopeless feelings have come down, at least to a 5, you can move on to the next part of the video. Even though I still feel so hopeless, and it's really sad, I choose to accept these feelings are here right now. Even though I still have this hopeless feeling, and I feel like there's nothing to look forward to, I choose to love and accept these feelings anyways. I'm still feeling so hopeless. Maybe I can accept what's happening or isn't happening right now. Maybe I can't. I don't have to accept this if I don't want to. But maybe by not accepting things the way they are, I'm keeping myself stuck here. Maybe accepting the way things are doesn't mean they won't change. Maybe it's the opposite. Maybe if I can let go of things needing to be a certain way, I'll allow certain things to happen. Maybe I'll get out of my own way and allow God, the universe, or whatever I believe in to step in. Maybe I can trust that this is happening for some good reason, even if I don't know what that is right now. Maybe it's possible. Everything is happening as it's supposed to, even if it seems painful. Maybe it's possible I can be open to letting go of needing things to change, and trust that they will when everything falls into place. Maybe I can be a little hopeful. Maybe it's possible miracles can happen. Maybe a miracle can happen for me. Maybe it's possible. Life is always changing. If I look back on other moments in my life, I'm sure I can find some that changed. Sometimes things looked really bad. But in the end, everything was okay. The future hasn't happened yet. And maybe anything is possible. I choose to believe the best is always happening for me and my growth. I choose to believe things always work out for me. Maybe it's going to work out for me this time too. I choose to believe this is just temporary. I'm hoping that your hopeless feelings have decreased, but if not, go back and repeat this video until things start to shift a little. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.